if my happiness and if my freedom has conditions, it is not free. So I am happy because I have a job. I'm happy because I have a relationship. I'm happy because I have a lot of money on my bank account. I'm happy because the sun is shining. But all of these things, ultimately, they are not in your hands.
We often think happiness is something we must chase outside of ourselves, like money, relationships, success, or comfort. But these things change all the time, and when they change, our happiness disappears with them. If our joy depends only on external conditions, then we will always feel unstable, because the world is unstable. Real happiness, according to his teaching, must come from inside, not from what we own or what happens around us.
If your employer fires you, you don't have the finance anymore and you don't have the job. And if your girlfriend leaves you or your partner leaves you, you also don't have a relationship anymore. And if the weather starts to change, you also don't have sunshine anymore. So what happens in that moment when these things fall away? Then automatically, apparently, your happiness that was related to it would also fall away. And this is a type of basing your life quality on something which by nature already does not make sense, because it never stays sunny. It's not happening. It doesn't make sense to place your well-being on something that is eternally changing. So, and what does it mean? It means that, at least in our tradition, I can only talk about what our emphasis is, okay? Whether it's left or it's right, in a way, you are fine with the left way and you are fine with the right way.
Happiness is a skill, not a gift. Just like the body becomes strong through training, the mind also needs training. If someone practices awareness, breathing, and self-discipline, slowly a stable feeling of contentment grows inside. This feeling does not depend on whether the day is good or bad. It comes from understanding yourself and not being controlled by every emotion that appears. Many people are slaves of their own thoughts, and that slavery steals their happiness.
Upwards, 1. Exhale, heart center. Lift the elbows. Sink. Inhale. Step out. First movement. 1. Out. In. Up. Drop. Left. Out. In. Up. Drop. Horizontal. High.
This nourishes the nervous system and brings fresh blood to the brain.
Horizontal. In. Out. Rotate. Switch side. In. Out. Open. Step in. Push. Switch side. Open. Sink. Push. Rotate. Step in. Out.
This opens the meridians along the sides of the body, strengthens muscles and tendons, and promotes mental clarity. Good for fatigue and blocked energy.
Rotate. Fleck. Drop. Switch. 7 star, cloud hands, right? First circle. Out. Back. Up. Out. Left first. Right follow. Second circle. Back. Out. Like that. Left. Right. Up. And left. Right. And back to the center. Roll hand, push palm. 1. Step in, roll, out. Left. Step in, roll, out. Center. 1. Out.
This strengthens arms and chest, opens lung meridians, and builds mental resilience. Helps overcome inner obstacles and resistance.
Go. Sideways. Open. Drop. Up. In. Out. Sideways. Open. Down. Up. Go. Center. Open. Right leg, right palm. Inhale. Open. Left leg, left palm. Back to the center. Lift the elbows.
This will enhance focus, strengthen the spine, and stimulate kidney energy. Symbolizes determination and direction in life.
Rotate. Carry the basket. Drop. Switch. Drop. Open. Exhale.